We still have 6 months in 2024, and 6 months is definitely a lot of time. And I feel like you shouldn't also waste your 6 months. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ejilechi. If it's your first time here, hi, I make videos on personal development, beauty, lifestyle, fashion. I'm hoping you love the vibe and subscribe. I have a personal goal to build my community and get at least 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month. It will definitely mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. I just realized that we are in the 6th month of this year, and I can remember vividly when I came in here to do a video. I talked about how we can achieve our goals for this year. I talked about creating a vision board and all of that, and it looks as though I closed my eyes and I opened my eyes and we are already 6 months into this year. So I thought it was to come back here and talk to you guys, see how you're doing, make a video of motivation, talk to you guys about how it's going on with me and all of that. Guys, honestly speaking, it's not really easy because sometimes you can make your plans, have your goals, and try to work towards your goal, and sometimes it can get a bit overwhelming, or it feels as though you're taking 10 steps forward and you're also taking like 15 steps backwards. It's crazy, and time is speeding so fast. I'm like, where's the time going to? How come we are in the month of June? Like, thinking about it, it's crazy. But I feel like talking to people that might feel like it is almost the end of the year and they feel like they might not be able to achieve anything anymore, or they feel like they are giving up on their goals, they are giving up and just letting things slide. That is why I'm making this video, to serve as a motivation, to encourage you and tell you things that you can do for yourself to be able to achieve that big goal at the end of this year, to be pleased with yourself that at least 2024 didn't end like that, because this is definitely the last 2024. 2024 is not gonna come again. This is the last today that you're gonna get. This is the last today. I think I'm filming this video on the 20th of June 2024. This is the last 20th of June 2024 in my entire life, so I don't think I'm gonna waste it. We still have 6 months in 2024, and 6 months is definitely a lot of time, and I feel like you shouldn't also waste your 6 months as well. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you simple, easy tips that are going to help you achieve your goals, which is what I'm also going to be doing in this last 6 months of the year, because definitely, baby girl, I want to achieve the things that I said I'm going to achieve. So guys, the first thing I need you to do is for you to have a big goal. Like, what's that goal that you feel like, this goal, if you achieve this goal, then you're gonna feel fulfilled at the end of this year? What's that big goal that can cancel every other goal? How you can achieve this is by writing down your goals, writing down the things that you want badly. You can take a piece of paper and write everything down. Then look at your list and ask yourself, what's that one thing that if I achieve, it's going to cancel out everything? What's that one thing that's most important to me out of all these goals that I've written down? It might be a financial goal, it might be a health goal, it might just be something that means a lot to you. Pick that single goal and then write down things that are going to help you achieve that goal that you want to achieve. That is the first step. This is the one goal rule, because we're going to go hard on this single goal that I promise you, by the end of this 6 months, you should have achieved this goal by the end of this 6 months. So write down this particular goal and write down the process that is going to help you achieve this particular goal. Break it down into days, and every single day of this next 6 months, we're going to do something that's going to draw us closer to achieving this goal. We're going to dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours every day to do something that is going to help us achieve that goal that we intend to achieve. The next thing I need you to do is to forgive yourself and be in a place of acceptance. When I mean you should be in a place of acceptance, I don't mean like you should be in a place where you feel like, okay, I'm never going to achieve this. I want you to be in a place of accepting where you are right now, and understand that, yes, everything happens for a reason, and that you've put in effort to achieve what you want to achieve, but it hasn't come forth. So be in a place of acceptance. A place of acceptance doesn't mean complacent. It means that you you are in a place where you understand where you are right now, and you understand that this is your journey, you forgive the people around you and stop telling yourself, oh, if I had done this, what if I did this, what if I did that, what if this, what if that, that's why I'm in this position where I am right now, and I would have done better. And just accept where you are right now, accept your journey, accept everything that you have done. You've put in your best so far, and sometimes you've neglected your goals, but you're clicking on this video right now, it definitely means that you want to be motivated and you want to go back to it. You are human. Forgive the people around you as well. Don't feel like they contributed to why you are where you are right now. So that's why I want you to have acceptance, because acceptance is going to lead up to you taking up responsibility, because you have to take up responsibility for your life and understand that this is actually my journey, this is my life, this is my story, and I need to tell it the way I want it to go. I am the architect of my own story. I'm the architect of my own life. If I want to be better, I have to do better. If I want to achieve this goal, then it's solely dependent on me to achieve these things for myself. So you have to take up responsibility. Guys, this is going to help you in making sure that you do that singular thing every day towards achieving your big goal, towards achieving that big goal that you want to achieve. I promise you, this is going to change the trajectory of your life. This is going to change this next 6 months of your life, because if you've understood that, yes, no one else is going to come to save me, no one is coming to save me, it is my place and the hour is now. This year isn't waiting for me anymore. Today is a day that never comes back. If I don't put in the effort I'm going to put in for this work today, then today has gone, never to come back. You have to wake up. It is 6 months left in 2024. So you have to, achieve that big goal, and living 1 or 2 hours every day towards your big goal, I don't think is a lot. You have about 22 hours to yourself to do everything you want to do, go out, hang out, have fun, but just make sure that you take 2 to 3 hours at most. It could even be 1 hour. If you make sure that you give 1 hour to your goal every day, to that single goal, you're going to achieve a lot by the end of these 6 months. So you have to understand that it is my journey, it is my story. I don't have to convince someone else about this. I don't have to believe the same thing someone else believes in. It is my story to tell, and I'm going to write it the way I want to write it. So if I want to sit down and do nothing in these 6 months, then at the end of 6 months, I'm going to be living in regret, and I'm going to feel like I didn't achieve the things I wanted to achieve. But if I want to work on the things that I want to achieve, then definitely by 6 months, I should have achieved or even surpassed what I intend to achieve. The next thing I want you to have is to have an abundance mindset, to understand that where you are right now is not necessarily based on how much work you've put in. There's someone providing for you. For me, I believe in God, and I believe that every situation that has presented itself, He has helped me through it all. He has provided for me. He has been there for me. So I believe that God provides for everyone. He provides for the animals in the field and takes care of them. How much more me? He's definitely going to provide for me, and things eventually figure itself out. And definitely, if I want something, I definitely will have it. So that takes away anxiety, because sometimes maybe you want to do something, you're not able to do it, you can start feeling anxious. Sometimes if I want to do something and then it doesn't work out for me, I feel like that's a redirection. I feel like, Agility, if you had done this, you don't know what would have happened. It must have been something negative. So be happy that it didn't go that way, that it went this other way. That's the new mindset I have, and that takes away a lot of negative talks, takes away a lot of anxiety. So you need to have that mindset that when you put in effort, you're going to get your desired results. And if you don't get that result that you want, or you're not able to achieve something, or something doesn't work out for you in a day, have that mindset that it's like a redirection for you. That will take away a lot of anxiety. And having that abundance mindset, having that reasoning that yes, I'm fruitful, everything I do is fruitful. If I work for this thing, I'm going to have it. It's going to help you live in that abundance life. It's going to help you manifest, and it's going to help you draw the things that you want to your life. Just try as much as possible to be positive. I know it's not easy. Sometimes when life wants to go wrong, it can go totally wrong, but you need to be able to channel your mind and think positive always, and realize that yes, there is beauty in where I am right now. You need to be able to look at the beauty in where you are right now and focus on the journey. That's one thing I didn't say. You have to focus on your journey and not just on your goal. If you're like, I want to achieve financial stability, I want to, have a YouTube channel that has grown up to this following, I want to be an influencer, I want to do this. If you're focused on just the goal, on the result, it's going to make you feel so anxious because you're just goal driven. Yes, it's good to be goal driven, but most times you need to focus on your journey as well, because it's also as interesting as your goal. Because if you achieve that, what next? You understand? Focus on your journey. Yes, this is the journey that takes me towards becoming this woman I want to be. Yes, this is the journey that takes me to becoming an influencer. This is the journey that takes me to becoming financially stable. You learn a lot of things along the way that's going to help you, when you actually attain the goal that you want to attain. Sometimes I'm like, okay, I want this so bad and I'm not having it right now. I feel like, okay, God is trying to teach me a lesson. I'm supposed to learn some things that's going to help me when I get to that position. The last thing I need you to do is to limit distractions. We live in a world where people are in different seasons of their life. People are starting up businesses, people are doing this, people are doing that, and sometimes you can get distracted. You can feel like, okay, maybe I want to do this, maybe I want to do that. Okay, I could do. Those are the distractions. You need to focus on your own journey and realize what you want. This is the goal that you want to achieve. No, I'm not saying you cannot do this, you cannot do that. If you can add every other thing, fine. But I feel like this one goal method is going to help you achieve a lot in the next 6 months. And I've told you to choose your best goal. What goal is it that when you achieve this goal, you're going to feel fulfilled at the end of this year? You're going to cancel out a lot of goals that you intend to achieve. So when you pick that one single goal and you achieve it by the end of these 6 months, then you can say to yourself, yes, I achieved this goal in 2024. This is what I'm currently doing. This is what I feel like is going to work for you. So you're motivated every day. So limit distractions. Focus on that single goal. Focus on your journey and do something that will take you closer to that goal every single day for the next 6 months of 2024. And I promise you, by the end of this year, you're going to be smiling to the bank. You're going to be smiling from ear to ear. You're going to be super excited because you're definitely going to achieve that you want to achieve, and you're going to learn a lot about yourself on this journey towards achieving that big goal for 2024. I wish you all the best. I'm super excited about this new you that's gonna come forth. So guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. I wanted to check in on you guys and to talk to you guys about this thing I'm currently doing in my life to help me achieve the goal that I want in 2024. Don't forget to like this video because it helps the algorithm recommend it to people that would need it. Subscribe to my channel as well. And guys, I really want to hear from you guys in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching me from. Let me know what goal you intend to achieve for this 2024, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.